Hi, this is Carl from midcentury.style, the Mid-Century Style Shop. I'm usually here to talk about the online store, as you know, and people who follow me kind of thinking, it's growing like crazy. That's the COVID hair. So hi everyone, this time I would like to talk about the blog. We have a blog on the store to tell you about everything that's going on, like samples, new stuff on the store, and more than often we have projects that I do myself, and I show you how to do it with tips and tricks and links for a shopping list and everything you need to know. So it's fun. But this time, it's my biggest project ever. So I wanted to show you in real life. Because sometimes, it's not the same in pictures and in description. And since I just finished writing the blog article I'm gonna post soon, I wanted to show you in real life. So I'm gonna show you a bit around and show you that thing that I did. Here we go. So that's the condo, and notice our newest throw pillows in the 22-inch size. They're gorgeous. And these two. And that's the throw blanket and the flamingo. They're crazy nice. And I'm back from the pool. So the towels are drying. And here we are. That's the pièce de résistance that I wanted to show you. It's a room divider that I made myself. And I'll explain a little bit because that's why I'm here. This is the hallway. And when I decided to switch the living room around, the thing you would see when you got in is the back of a chair and the back of the TV. And I thought that's not so nice. I wanted something that went from the floor to the ceiling to make a nice focus when you get in. So that's the result of it. But if you spin around and you look at it, I wanted to show you from both sides. See, what it's made of is a wood frame that I designed and made myself. It's very simple, actually. You just need a good design. I painted this, and they are cubes, shelf cubes that you can buy. It's very simple, actually. Those are shelves that you can install on the wall normally, but I bought those and made a frame to hang those on there. So these are the smallest ones. And they have medium ones here and the bigger ones. It's a kit of 3. So I bought 8 kits for 24 shelves, build a frame, and that's the result. You see? I'm gonna show you a few details. Actually, you see here, those are the screws where you hang the cubes. It's very simple. Here we have metal sheet pattern, very mid-century, and it's just stapled on this cube over there, you see? And that makes all the difference in the world. On the top, we have a little spacer right there, because I wanted the thing to just not be screwed on the beam. I wanted it to float. It's nicer, and it looks like it's been there forever. And on the bottom, I installed some adjustable legs. Because as you see, it's carpet. So I wanted to make sure that this would be stiff even on carpet, but still allow for a bit of leeway in case the wood moves with time and weather. So this is it. This is the thing I wanted to show you. And in real life, frankly, you'll see everything in the pictures on the blog, but in real life, it's just amazingly nice. I just can't believe I did that. So I'll put back the camera and hopefully I'll still be in the shot. I am back. So that's all I wanted to show you. Just a little quick video because in real life it's different and you get the feel of it, where it's installed. And I'm sure a lot of you are gonna wanna try something like this at home. And if you do, please send comments and questions and we'll see. I'm sure I'm going to be able to help you out because I started from scratch in my head. And read the blog, you'll understand. It's a fun story. So that's it for now. And if you need stuff for your home, don't forget midcentury.style, and there's a link for the blog on the store. So see you next time. Ciao.